Google has two free tools that most people do not even know exist. And if you have ever asked AI to build you something and the result looked generic, these two change that completely. This is what comes out when you use them together, built entirely without a designer or a developer. Both tools completely free. I consult companies on AI for a living. And if you have ever wanted to build an app or a website but you never did because you thought it would cost you money, this is the free workflow that will actually help you do it. 5 insane use cases. While I make this video once a week, if you want AI updates real time, I have a WhatsApp community which is free to join, and I drop AI updates real time here. Link in the description. You have got an app idea. You can see it in your head. You know what it should do, but you are not a designer. You do not know Figma. And hiring a designer? Thousands of dollars, weeks of back and forth. Now, most AI tools will generate a UI for you, but there is no design system underneath. Every screen comes out looking slightly different, the buttons do not match, the spacing feels random. It works, but it does not look professional. Google Stitch fixes this, and here is how you use it. Step 1. Go to stitch.withgoogle.com. This is Google's free design tool. You will see a prompt bar with two options, app or web. Step 2. Click New Project and select Web. Step 3. Type your prompt. Here is what we are using. Build a simple travel planner app called TravelGo. I need a landing page with a hero section, destination search, trip cards with photos and testimonials, a trip dashboard with itinerary timeline, map view, daily activities and budget breakdown. Modern, warm, photo-heavy aesthetic. Step 4. Select the thinking model, Gemini 3.1 Pro from the dropdown, and hit Generate. Now watch what happens. Before it builds any screen, it creates a design system first. It named this one Golden Hour. Think of it as a rule book. It locks in the colors, fonts, button styles and spacing so that everything it builds will look consistent. And there are the screens. Landing page with the hero, trip cards, the works, dashboard with itinerary, map, budget, 2 polished screens from one prompt, and they match because the design system was built first. So now you can go from an idea to a full design in under a minute. But here is where it gets more interesting. You have probably noticed this. You ask AI to build something and it gives you a design that looks fine but also looks exactly like everything else. And the reason is simple. When you type make it modern and clean, the AI has no reference to follow. It is guessing. Here is what most people try. They describe the exact look in words. Make it premium. Use these hex colors, give it a clean vibe. But you cannot prompt your way to a specific aesthetic. The fix is simpler than you think. Instead of describing the design, you just show it. Step 1. Find a website whose design you love. We are using the Growth School website. Step 2. Copy the URL from the browser. Step 3. Go to Stitch, paste the URL in the prompt bar and hit Generate. That is the entire prompt. Just the URL. Stitch is now reading the entire website, going through every page, pulling out the colors, the fonts, the spacing, everything that makes that website look the way it does. And there it is. Stitch created a complete design system and named it Emerald Growth. That is the name it came up with. And look what is inside. Primary colors, secondary colors, button styles, icon variants, the entire visual rulebook automatically extracted from one URL. Click here and you get everything. Color palette, fonts, corner radius, all in one place. And underneath all of this, Stitch generates something called a design.md file. Think of it as a portable cheat sheet. It is a text file that captures your entire design system in a format any coding tool can read. You can take this file, drop it into Cursor, Replit, whatever you build with, and that tool will follow the same design rules. Your design system travels with you. I make tutorials like this every week covering cutting-edge AI tools for free. Make sure to subscribe so you do not miss the next one. So now you have a professional design. You can build from scratch or match any website. But here is the reality, the first version is never perfect. Something is always slightly off. And you know what the worst part used to be? If one thing was wrong, one button, one color, one image, you had to regenerate the entire app and just hope the next version got it right. That was literally the only option. Regenerate and pray. In Stitch, you just fix the thing that is wrong. Look at this hero section. The text, find your golden hour, is merging into the background. Not readable. Instead of regenerating, you just describe the issue. You can talk to it, literally activate voice mode and say, hey, the text, find your golden hour, is not readable. The background and text are blending into each other. Or you just type it out. Add a dark overlay behind the hero text and make the font bolder so it is more readable. And there you go. Look at the difference. Same design, same vibe, but now you can actually read it. You describe the problem, Stitch fixed exactly that. No regenerating from scratch. Fair warning, This is the part where you will want to start playing with it yourself. And you can take it even further. Say you like how Trivago structures their layout. Copy their URL, go back to Stitch and say, keep the golden sunrise vibes, but pick up some layout elements from Trivago and make it more vibrant. It mixes references and keeps your design system consistent through all of it. And look at what changed. The layout updated, but the color palette is identical. Same golden tones, same font hierarchy. It only adjusted the structural elements you asked about. That is the design system doing its job. You can pull inspiration from anywhere. And the final result still feels like one cohesive product. But we are not done yet. The landing page needs more functionality. So we go back to the chat and refine it. The prompt is, refine the travel go search to include specific inputs like dates or guest counts similar to a standard booking site. Add a hotel section to the landing page with a grid layout of cards. Add a price comparison element to the trip dashboard. And look at what is appearing. The search bar just got more detailed date pickers, guest count selectors, and a full hotel deal section with a card grid layout. All still following the same golden hour design system. The colors match, the fonts match, everything still looks like it belongs together. Now here is something really useful. Say you want to explore different layouts for a specific section, click on it and hit generate variations. A panel opens on the right and look at the options. You can set the creative range. Refine keeps it close to what you have. Explore pushes it further. Reimagine starts almost from scratch. You pick how adventurous you want to be. Then you choose what to vary layout, images, color scheme, or any combination. We will go with layout and images, set the number of variants to 3 and hit generate. 3 different approaches, same content, completely different layouts. You can pan across the canvas and compare them side by side. This one has the search bar centered, this one has it on the left with a hero image on the right, and this one stacks everything vertically. Same design system running through all 3. In this case, the original layout actually worked best. So we delete the variants and clean up the canvas. That is an important habit. You do not want 20 versions cluttering your workspace. Keep it clean, keep it focused, and individual elements, you can edit those too. See this map image on the dashboard. It does not fit the vibe. Click the 3-dot menu, select edit, then edit with AI, and the prompt is just add a better image. And it swaps it for something that fits the theme. If you do not like it, hit undo and try again. That's simple. You are not redesigning anything. You are tweaking one element at a time and then the real test. Click the More menu at the top and select Instant Prototype. A new tab opens and you get a fully navigable preview of your app. Click Discover the landing page, loads. Click Trips, you are on the dashboard. The navigation actually works. You can scroll through the itinerary, see the map, the budget breakdown. Switch to tablet view and check how the layout adapts. Switch to mobile the card stack, the navigation collapses into a menu. Everything reflows. And remember, this is all still just design. There is no code, we have not written a single line, but you can already feel what the app will be like to use. So everything we have done so far has been design, beautiful design. It looks exactly how you want it, but you still cannot click anything. You cannot type in it. It is a picture, not a product. And turning a design into a working app has always been the expensive part. You show someone your mock-up, they quote you thousands, and half the time, the final product looks nothing like the design. Fonts change, spacing shifts, colors are off. That has been the story for a long time. And that is exactly why Google built a second tool, Google AI Studio. And the best part, watch how cleanly these two tools connect. Step 1, in Stitch, click the export button in the top right. Step 2, select AI Studio from the options. Step 3, AI Studio opens in a new tab and all 4 screens from Stitch are already there. The prompt is already filled in. Step 4, hit build. Now, this is usually where things fall apart. You export a design, bring it to a coding tool, and the styling breaks, fonts change, spacing goes off. That has been the pattern for years. Let us see if it actually holds. It held. Full working app. Click Discover, click Trips pages load, and look at the design. It matches, same colors, same fonts, nothing broke. Now, let us push it further. We want real search functionality. So in the AI Studio chat, type this, help me build the functionality to type in the departure place, destination, and some dates so I can search and get trip information end to end. And now it is building actual search functionality into the app. Functional search bar, Bangalore, Ireland, pick dates, search, and look at what is coming up. Emerald Isle Escape, it is calling it. The complete trip is being built right here. Click day 1 Dublin, day 2 it takes you to Galway Spanish Arch, day 3 Cliffs of Moher, budget breakdown, route map, the whole experience. From 2 free tools and a few prompts, you have got a working app. It looks professional, it actually works, but right now it is on your screen. Nobody else can see it. In AI Studio, just click Publish. It will ask you to select a Google Cloud project and set up billing. Once that is done, your app gets a live URL. You share that link and anyone can use your app. That's simple. Now hold on, the tutorial is not done yet. Quick honest take. Does this replace designers? No. What it does is raise the floor. If you are not a designer, you now get professional looking results. If you are an exceptional designer, nothing changes. These tools cannot replicate taste, but for founders, marketers, anyone building a product who is not a designer, this is a genuine upgrade. By the way, every prompt from today and the full workflow is in the WhatsApp group. Link in the description, free to join. So those were the 2 tools from Google, Stitch for the design, AI Studio for the code. If you have been building with AI and the results look generic, this is the workflow. Now, which of the 5 are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. And if you want to explore more, there is a vibe coding tool called Lovable that solves a lot of these design and building problems as well. I have made a complete tutorial on that one. I will tag it right here. If you want to go deeper, make sure to check that out. Subscribe. Every week, I break down the newest AI tools so you can use them before everyone else. Quick thing for the founders watching. Me and my team actually run corporate AI trainings. We have been brought in by Adobe, Razorpay, Uber, and a bunch of others to train their teams on exactly this kind of stuff. So if you are running a company and you want the same kind of session for your people, the email is in the description. Just write to us. See you in the next one.